Yeah, Swami, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, namaste to all and very good morning. So, before starting the session, I hope you're all safe. That is a very, very important nowadays. And you're all doing the great things. Okay. So, once again, namaste to all and good morning.
Namaste,
So,
sir. Good morning.
yeah,
Sir.
namaste, namaste. Sir, can I share the PPT, sir?
Yeah, Swami, go ahead.
Yeah. Right. Sir, is my voice is clear, sir? Voice and my presentation.
Yeah, it's okay. So, carry on.
Welcome. So, last few days, like almost last 4 days, we have been discussing about the some concepts which are related to the relationships. So, how we need to ensure the harmony in a relationships. So, that concept we are discussing from last 3 days. Corresponding to that, okay, we discuss some values. Before that values, relationship is there. We have been telling that this content is being telling that the relationship is there. We no need to establish the relationship. Already it is there. Just we need to recognize that relationship. Whenever we recognize the relationship, then some values will be there in that relationship. Some feelings will be there in that relationship. That feelings will be naturally flow. Once we recognize the relationship, already we have the feelings even inside. Once we recognize that relationship, then the feelings, whatever feelings are there, those feelings will be flow naturally, then that relationship will be fulfilled. Yes, that is the concept we are discussing since last 4 days. So already we covered some of the values like trust, respect, affection, and care and guidance. These are the values. So in addition to this, we have some other important values we have. So those values are called reverence, means Shraddha, then glory, means in Telugu Gauravam, then gratitude, Kృతజ్ఞత, and love. That means prema. So these are the values today I'm going to discuss. So today I'm going to just give a brief introduction about all these contents. Okay, just we have to recognize the relationship, then fulfill the relationship. To fulfill the relationship, these are the values are important. These are values are already there inside, just we need to recollect that. We need to focus on those values. So now I'm discussing about the reverence, Shraddha. Yeah, what is the meaning of Shraddha? That means Telugu we can call it Shraddha. You might have associated with the some meanings to all these words. So here we have given some another meaning. Okay? Just meaning is important. Whatever the words we are using, those are not important. So whatever the meaning which is associated with that word, we need to understand that meaning. Yes, here the meaning of the reverence, Shraddha, that means the feeling of acceptance for the excellence. That means the recognition of the excellence. Yes, that is nothing but the Shraddha. That means reverence. Then here you may get the question that what is the excellence? In our day-to-day life, in a day-to-day life, we are facing a lot of problems, lot of challenges in our life. As and whenever the problem occurs in our life, we are trying get rid of that problem. Yes, we are unable to identify what is reality actually. Yes, every time whenever problem comes, we are working on that problem. Then whenever getting rid of the problem, again we are normalized, again some other problems are coming. What is our direction? What is our actual goal? To have the continuity of the happiness. Yes, in that direction we need to do. That means here is the feeling of acceptance for the excellence. Then what is the meaning of excellence? We need to understand first. Yes, excellence means excellence. Here we have defined the excellence. Excellence means Shresthatha. Yes, here the excellence means understanding the harmony and living in the harmony at all 4 levels. Already starting onwards, we have been telling that this content being giving proposed to us that human being aspiration is to become happy and prosperous and continuously. Yes, that is the human being aspiration. We concluded that. So human being aspiration is happiness and prosperity of continuity of that. How we can achieve that happiness and prosperity continuity? To achieve that one, this is the main important point. This is the main source to achieve that continuity of the happiness, to achieve that continuity of the prosperity. That means understanding harmony and living in the harmony at all 4 levels. Yes, what are those all 4 levels? Yes, so what are those 4 R levels? If you understand all those 4 values, if you live it according to that one, that we can consider as a excellence. Yes, understanding the harmony at the level of the individual. As an individual, if I have the individual as an individual personality, then how I can achieve the harmony inside me? Forget about outside. Just how I can feel inside to have the harmony. How we can act to feel inside harmony. Yes, that is the first thing. The next one is at the level of the family. How can I ensure the harmony at the level of the family? First, I need to understand to have the harmony in the family, what needs to be established. Yes, so we have to understand the harmony at the family. Next, we have to understand first how I can ensure the harmony at the society. Yes, how we can ensure the harmony at the society. That is the 3rd level. Then 4th level, how I can establish harmony at the entire nature with respect to the nature and existence. I need to understand all these. How I can have the harmony at the level of the individual, at the level of the family, at the level of the society, at the level of the nature. Just I understood that, not even living according to this first one. And already I'm not started to live it. But just I understood how I can create the environment, how I can create the harmony at all these 4 levels. If I start living harmony at all these 4 levels, that is nothing but excellence. That is the excellence. Understanding harmony at the individual, family, and society and nature. Yes, if I live according to that, that is nothing but the excellence. If I live according to all these 4 orders, then we feel happy. Continuous happiness would be there. Suppose, for example, for this one, how we can achieve that? Just to understand, we are not living it. How we can feel as a continuity of the happiness? So many things are happening at outside. There is no harmony in the society. There is no harmony in the nature. Yes, for that, how I can feel the happy? Yes, for this example for this one is, you are studying something else. There is an end exam for that subject, that course. You prepared everything. You understand whatever the conceptual, whatever the things are available in that related to the subject. You understand everything. Yes, whenever you are sitting in the examination hall, you will be given the question paper. Whenever you will be given the question paper, whatever the questions are there in that, you know the answers for all of them very clearly. There is no confusion in that. Very clearly you have the answers. Then how do you feel by sitting in the hall? Do you feel any tense or do you feel happy or not? Obviously, we feel happy in the examination. Not even started the examination. In the exam started, anyhow we are feeling happy. Yes, we know the answers for that. How we can ensure the answer, we know. That means how we can ensure the harmony in family, I know. How I can ensure the harmony in society, I know. How I can ensure the harmony in nature, I know. For that, I start living. Yes, so in this way, we can achieve the continuity of the happiness. So many people might have achieved this kind of success. So success means this kind of achievements. So the people who achieved ultimate success, the ultimate excellence. So we obviously we treat them as we give the name for them as a god, great people. Sorry, all these names that we are giving, you can refer with that. So we are giving that such a kind of names means those they achieved the excellence. Yes. So whatever the people achieved the excellence, with respect to them, yes, with respect to them, we are accepting that excellence. Yes, that the feeling is there. That feeling is inside is there. Yes. So those are people achieved the excellence. For them, I have the feeling that is nothing but the reverence. Yes. Here there is a small difference between the excellence and competition. Yes. Yes, sir. Anything? Okay. So there is a slight difference between the excellence and competition. Yes. So how we are working for? Are you working for the excellence? Are you working for the competition or to be special? Where we are working? If you work for the excellence, you help the people to reach in that excellence. Yes. If you are really working for the excellence, you are in the direction of the excellence. What is your What is your direction? To reach your goal. What is your goal? Continuous happiness. How we can achieve the continuous happiness? By understanding all these 4 levels and living according to that. That is my excellence. Yes, if I work for that one, then I can help the others even. To reach that level. Yes, I'm not losing anything else. If I work for the excellence, if I work for the competition, if I want to become in the topper, if I want to be something great to the world, then I cannot help to the others. Yes, in a competition, he hinders the others from reaching his goal. He won't help to others. That is the difference between the excellence and competition. Then how we are preparing to our next generation? How we are preparing? Are you preparing our child for their life? Are you preparing the child for the excellence, or you are preparing the child for the competition? We are preparing the child for the life or career. Yes, if I achieve this one, then we can consider as something else. Good placement, jobs, and how we are preparing, where we are working. Our education institutions are where the education institutions are working. If the one children is placed somewhere else, we are considered as a success. Whether it is success or not, we need to check. Yes, if I prepare the person for the excellence, then humbleness comes from the child. Not only child, everyone. Humbleness comes. Then whenever person is preparing for the competition, there is no humbleness. To be specialist kind of feeling would become. That is the difference between the excellence and competition. Yes, here. So already some people have achieved excellence. So if I work, those people can be inspiration to me. So then whatever the efforts we made to reach that excellence, that is nothing but to worship. Actually, we do the puja at our home, no? Puja at home by keeping some ideal something else. We do some puja. The puja is meaning is that one only. We are keeping the efforts. Yes, please make me like you. I want to reach there. For that, I am keeping the efforts. Yes, I am working in the direction. Whatever the direction they follow, whatever the direction they achieve, in the direction, I am keeping my efforts. That is the expression value for the reverence. The expression value for the reverence is called worship. Yes, worship is not only sitting in the room, something is no. We have to keep the efforts in the direction to reach the excellence. We can also become excellent personalities. Yes, we no need to give the certain people only. Yeah, we can also become whatever you want to see. Yes, that is the meaning of the reverence. Reverence is the feeling of the acceptance for the excellence. Excellence means understanding at all 4 levels. This is the main source to reach the happiness continuously. The worship is making efforts to reach it. Yes, this is the nothing but the reverence. Then I am coming across the glory. This is one of the important values. All these values are very, very important. What are the values I'm going to discuss? These are some kind of values are important whenever we are interacting with such a kind of people. Yes, now we are discussing about the glory. Yes, the glory means it is one of the feeling for those who made effort for my excellence. That means, sorry, not my excellence, the feeling for those who have made effort for the excellence, not for my excellence. Some people are working towards the direction of the excellence. Already they made some efforts. They might have not reached the excellence, but still they are in the direction to reach the excellence. For that, they made the efforts. For that, what is the feeling you have? What is the feeling you have? That feeling is nothing but the glory. Some people are already work towards the direction of the excellence. Some people made some benchmarks in their field. Towards them, what is my feeling? That feeling is nothing but the glory or gauravam. Just I will give one example for this. Suppose you are working to be a excel. I'm taking one element of excellence. Excellence means understanding at all 4 levels. One element of I'm taking. That means you are working to be a excellent in musician. That means the music system. Yes. So what is your benchmark for that? You might have keep the benchmark for that A.R. Rahman. Yes, A.R. Rahman achieved the excellence in that particular domain. Yes, the particular field. You made a benchmark. You're working to reach the excellence in the music system. Then we can take the suggestions from him without any opposition. Whatever he says, then you are following that song. Yes, already they made the efforts. We are seeing in them in front of us. Yes, that means without any opposition, whatever they are saying, we are accepting. But in natural life, it is not happening. We are not following the people who are there in front of us, who are there ahead of us. Just we are liking the people, we are following the people, those who give the suggestions and everything, which is comfortable to us, which we like, those people only we are following. But in this glory, that means gauravam, already some people have made efforts. They are working certain things. Yes, if you want to work in that field, same field, you take them as a reference. Whatever they say, you follow without any opposition. Yes, that is the feeling of God. That is called gaurav. That is called glory. Acceptance without any opposition in that particular domain. Yes, that is called glory. Next, these are the 2 important values very close to each other. First value is acceptance of excellence. Excellence means already we know. The next one is the already who made the efforts for the excellence. Towards them, what is my feeling? Yes, that is nothing but the glory or gaurav. Next, another important, this is a very, very important value. Among all the values are important. This is the one special kind of value. That value I am going to discuss. Yes, I hope all of you having the pen and paper. So if you don't have the pen and paper, please keep with you pen and paper. Here we are going to discuss one important value with some exercises. We do some exercises, then we can feel it there. So you can feel it that what is the importance of that value. So I hope you are doing all those. The first exercise I'm doing, just I'm giving the half minute of time to ensure all those things. We will start later. Just half minute of time I will give you. Please ensure all of you a paper and pen. Yeah, whatever the instructions are, so please see the screen also meanwhile. So whatever the instructions, whatever the diagrams are available, whatever the tables available on the screen, you can see it. You can watch it and follow that instructions. This is one of the important value. So if you feel it, a lot of things would be changed in our day-to-day life and behavior even. The smaller practice itself, but some feelings, some actions, some behavior, certain things would be changed. Okay, it can be easily practicable also. This value, whatever the value I'm going to discuss, it is easily be practicable. Already sir mentioned earlier, yesterday's class, Sundar sir, we need a money only for the one value, that is nothing but the K. Except that one, we don't need any money, any physical facilities. Yes, just a physical facilities or anything else only to express that feeling itself. But actually it is not required, except care. Yes, so I hope you are doing first. See, once we observe our life, okay, once we observe our life, whatever today here, like so suppose consider me from childhood, from starting from my birth still today, whatever the knowledge I acquired, whatever the skill I acquired, whatever the abilities I have, whatever the health condition I have, whatever the things I have right now, yes, it is the contribution of this so many people. I cannot make my shed my own. Yes, for them, example that one, just simple example. Shed, I am wearing the shed. I cannot make shed for myself. Yes, I'm having the day-to-day life food. Yes, whatever the food ingredients are there, I'm not getting from. Yes, I'm not making that ingredients. Yes, so whatever today, yes, whatever the things I'm doing, whatever the knowledge, whatever the skill, whatever the ability, whatever the health condition I have, it is the contribution of these so many people. For your life also, not only your life, all of our lives, all of our lives, so many people might have contributed or directly or indirectly in my life, in our life, to be like this today. Like this, how many people are there in your life? Yes, in your life, how many people are there? Just make a note of all of them. From childhood, it can be a teacher, it can be a nurse, it can be a maid. So many people are there. So many people. So how many people are there in your life? So please list out them. I hope you are listening my instruction. Keep a paper and pen. Just list out the things. Whomever you are feeling important. Important means who made lot of help to you, lot of efforts they made to reach you this extent. Whatever the knowledge you have, whatever the skills you have, whatever the health condition you have, whatever the house you have right now, whatever the vehicle, something else, cloth, everything else, as right now, so many people might have helped you. Then make a list of those names. That may come from directly or indirectly. Whatever the help, whatever the effort, some people may not do or direct help to you. Indirectly, they may do. Those kind of people. Take a circle, whatever. If you want to take a circle, whatever the circle I'm showing here, yes, in that way you can write. Otherwise, you can write the list of the people. Feel it and write it. Giri sir, is my voice audible, sir?
Yes, Swami, go ahead.
Okay. I hope you are all writing the names. Feel it and write it. Just you have just sit in proper place and just feel. Just visualize yourself and just recollect the names and feel it. So many people and so many people we can recollect. Everywhere, in your office, in your workplace, in your at home, you are in your street, from your childhood, at your village, your school level, college level, office level. So many people are helping to us. Still, they might have helped already, but still they are helping. Please feel it and write. So this 30 minutes concept I am going to deliver, it is really important. It is a simply practicable item. Then really it can create some trigger point to us. just you write the things, and please, after completion of that, just be yourself in a silent, just observe yourself from childhood onward, just observe unconditionally. So many people might have accepted you. So and whenever unconditional comes, your teachers, your parents, mother and father, at the time of the childhood, yeah, yes. I hope you have written the names and something else. Okay, so really feel it. So for this, after writing up all those names, whatever the names you have written, whatever the things you have mentioned over there, then how you are feeling inside. So anyone can unmute and share the feeling of your write up and your exercise. Any one of you. Those who completed the names to write, then they can unmute and tell whatever the feeling you have inside, however you are feeling after writing up all their names. If anyone completes the names, just express their insights.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Actually we can't count the number because there are innumerable number of people right
Yeah.
from our childhood to till date. So
Super.
it's ever-ending list.
Yeah, nice, Andy. Yeah, uncountable members. Very nice. Then how you are feeling, sir?
Just heart is filled with gratitude towards each and everyone and everything in this world. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Any other sharing, any other insights? Any from anyone? Just I take the one insights, then we move further.
Yeah, sir, we feel gratitude for everything, like even nature, your parents, your teacher, everyone. You feel like every day there is something happening. So gratitude is to be unlimited, like there is no count.
Yeah. Yes, Sandy. So, like this, today, whatever we have today, so many people have helped us. So many people have made efforts to us. Then what is the feeling inside? Yes, that feeling is nothing but a gratitude, Andy. Yes, that is a gratitude actually. The feeling for those who have made effort for my excellence. I am in the direction of the excellence. Some people made for me. Yes, in terms of the material, in terms of the knowledge, in terms of the skills, anything else. If I take the day-to-day life, so many people, and we can't even live in one day without helping of others. We can see it nowadays also. So many people are helping us in this pandemic situation. Yes, what kind of feeling we have? That is a very, very important thing. Yes, the gratitude means right now. Yes, ma'am.
Say thank you to all of the people.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, right now, suppose if you take as a
What
parent,
feeling I have, and
yes, ma'am. Do you want to share anything else?
that only that my feeling is that I have to say everybody thanks that all of the members which have helped me for my life.
Yeah, very nice, Andy. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, this is a feeling for the people who made efforts for my excellence. So suppose if you take just unconditionally, so many people are there. Just whenever unconditional comes, first list in that list, parents and teachers obviously come. Yes, for them we have the that feeling of gratitude continuously. Yes, we may say that they are not doing nothing. No, already they gave birth to us. Already they gave some knowledge to us. For that we must have the gratitude. Ever long. Yes, right now the people already the people helped us. Right now they are behaving other than that. Doesn't matter to me. But already they have helped for me. For that I have the feeling of gratitude continuously. Yes, that is a very, very important. So many people are helping. Suppose if you want to make the construction of your house, yes, you may be telling that I paid the money, for that I got the constructed house. Even if you pay the money for your kids, you may not get the house. For that skill, we have the gratitude. So many people are doing it outside. Suppose a doctor, a policeman, a municipal department, many people are doing. We may tell that we are paying the salaries, we are doing something else. Even if you do the money, even if you give the money, we cannot make ourselves so many things. Suppose you may tell that I am giving the money, I am purchasing my clothes. Even if you have the money, even if you give the money to your kids or yourself, you cannot get the shirt for yourself. For that reason, we must be gratitude. That feeling must be there inside me. So first we need to recognize that feeling. Whether we are failing to recognize that one, we are failing to recognize that. So that is the main reason we are unable to recognize. So many people are helping. So many people are giving efforts to us, efforts to for my excellence. I'm unable to recognize. Yes, once we recognize that one, emotionally we appreciate inside. Yes, it is the way we don't express, just we feel it inside. For this, just I can give the one example. Yesterday itself, I discussed with the Harisar even. Just example, I have been without this content also, without this content, before this content, I joined, presently I am working at the MESR Engineering College as assistant professor. So when I was working in other college like CBR college, I sent a resume to this college. Because of certain reasons, my resume, whatever the resume I sent, that is not kept in the list. That is misplaced. Everybody, my friends whom I related to, everybody got the mails and invitation to attend for the examination and interview. I didn't get the mail. I have the qualification same as that. Even more that, even I studied some other colleges, reputed college even. I have the percentage more than them. Why I didn't get the call from others? Call from that organization. Then one of my colleagues, where I was working, yes, I asked him that I didn't get the call and something else. Then he said me that one of my brothers working in the college, MESR college. Then I will ask him that what would be the reason. Then he made a call to that person. Then whatever the person is there, other college, that person searched for my resume. Then he got it. That is misplaced somewhere else. Then he kept that my resume in that list. Yes, before going to attend the interview, one day before, all the people got the 15 days before interview later. But he placed my resume before 1 day before the interview. Then I appeared for that exam. I got the mail immediately. Then next day I appeared for the interview. I prepared the examination. I got selected. Then I am working in that place right now. Yes. So from 2014, since then onwards, I have the great gratitude feeling towards him. Whatever the person who helped me in that particular domain, he helped me to reach that position actually. Whatever the position I am today, because of him only. Without keeping that resume over there, I would not be here today. Yes. Now for that, I have the feeling always till today. Still today, same kind of feeling is there. That moment itself, whatever the relationship I have with him is not only colleague relationship. Just I have the brother relationship. I used to call him as a Anna. From then onwards, I used to call him as a Anna. Yes, so he used to like the natural food, something else, natural things, some special items he likes. Used to cover the certain harmless things also. Whenever I feel it, I will get certain things to him. He did just that thing for my life. Still, I am feeling gratitude towards him. How long I feel? As long I am there, I have to feel it. That's all. He may, some other people who helped me in our organization somewhere else, yes, to reach that position, they might have, they helped me, they helped us. They right now, they behave other than that. Doesn't matter to me. What kind of feeling is there inside towards them? That is the very, very important. We may tell that they did very small. Why should be great gratitude to the all the time? They did small or big, doesn't matter. They helped you. That is the matter. For that, we have to be grateful. We have to be gratitude. Like this, so many people are helping us. They help and help you. If you take the parents even, just they gave the birth, then they accepted us unconditionally, at least take the 5 years. You know that. Those people become the father and mother. They know that. What is the challenges we face whenever the kids, whenever we have the kids having the age group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. How we feel whenever they get the fear or something else. How we feel. So our parents also accepted us unconditionally. At least take it as the 5 years. For that, we must be grateful entire our life or their lives. That is enough for me. Yes, we are obviously complaining on them. They didn't give me this one. They didn't do this one, that one, that one. No need to complaining all those things. Just they served us at least 5 years. After that 5 years, I feel that everything is bonus from my parents. Everything is bonus. For that, we need to have the gratitude. Like these teachers, some people, politicians, and doctors, engineers, so many people are helpful. So house construction, something, anything, anything, whatever you take. Yes, that is the feeling to express that is the reason to feel gratitude. Once we appreciate inside the person, then naturally we can express it. Yes, willingly we need to acknowledge. Yes, because of me, I'm not I'm not greater than you. Yes, that comes, that is the expression, that is the self-restraint. I never claim that I'm greater than you, I'm more than you. Such a kind of humbleness will come. Yes, that is the feeling of gratitude. Once we have the feeling of the gratitude inside, that will be expressed as a self-restraint. We never claim that. Yes, humbleness and everything, harshness, all this will come. So that is the reason if you practice this one, the simple only. No need to, very, very simple. No need to give sort of big things. No, nothing. Just we need to feel it. Just we have to appreciate inside this as and when required. For this, we need to, so when we need some skills, we need to express it. So intellectually recognize, emotionally appreciate, and willingly acknowledge the things. In this way, the gratitude can be arise. Yes, this is the meaning of the gratitude. The reverence and glory and gratitude. These are the small kind of difference and similar. Excellent. The person who is the excellent towards for that person. What is my feeling? Already the people who made for excellent to reach the excellence. So what is the feeling towards them? Then already some people are made for my excellence. What is the feeling towards them? That is the glory. So these are the concept of the. So we will do some other exercise. One more important exercise. So already I mentioned almost things. Just sit ideally. Again, take a same concept. Take the paper and pen. Yes. So as an individual, we are getting a lot of things, Andy. With respect to the nature, we are getting lot. With respect to the society, we are getting lot. With respect to family, we are getting lot. Suppose if in the nature, if you take the nature, so many things we are getting, like a sun rays, water, soil, trees, and everything we are getting. Yes, free of cost. So we are not spending any money for that. Yes, so these are all getting from the nature. Like if you take the 1 minute only. Okay. From nature, we are getting so many things. If you take the society, from society also we are getting many things like education and just education, law and order system, health system. Oh, so many things we are getting. Construction point of view, everything we are getting the many things from the society. At the level of the family also, family just they are serving to us, they give birth to us, they are giving the protection, they are nurturing my body, something else. So many things are we are getting from the even family also. Then list out the things. Yes, then list out the things what we are receiving from the nature and society and family. Yes, after that, another column as a written what we are giving. Yes, as a written what we are giving to the society, to the nature, to the society, to the family. After taking all those things, what we are giving. In the first exercise also, we are contributing, we are getting so many things from outside. Then how we are giving, how as a written, what we are giving. It is not necessary to give the material thing. It is not necessary. As and when required to express it, we can use the materials and give something else. Yes, what is the feeling inside? That is a very, very important. That is a very, very important. So how we are feeling towards them in the first exercise. Here also mention, list out the things with respect to the nature and society by making the two columns as you're seeing on the screen. Yes, what you received from the nature, society, family. Then as a written, what you are giving to all those things. So please take some time. So I hope you have the paper and pen. Make a list of all those things. Then make a difference between these two. This is also one of the important exercise. Yes, please take the paper in a paper, make the two columns. What I received from all these. As a written, what I have contributed towards all this. This is one kind of, you may feel that it's one kind of balance sheet, but anyhow, please write it. Don't consider the balancing. If you have, I'm doing more, they are doing less. No, not like that. Just do this exercise. So what I am getting from the nature, yes, from the society, yeah, society we have, from the society only we have the education, law and order system, yes, road safety, all internet connections, municipal system, police system, yes, many systems are there. From them we are getting the benefits here. Nowadays you can see, at least now in this pandemic situation, so many people directly, indirectly helping us. So many people. We have the confidence that if I get some illness, definitely I will get the help from others. Such kind of feeling is there. We no need to be doctors. That is the meaning of society. In society level, then family level. Yes, they give, I told you now, the protection, guidance, nurture, many things we are getting from the family. They forget about this, all this, they are accepting us. We are behaving in a fact, at the level of family. Yes, in a even wrong way also they are accepting us. That is one of the greatest gift. However, that is the greatest platform to check out our feelings and everything. As a written, what you are giving. So many things, and so many things we are getting from the nature and education institutions and society and family levels. But as a written, what we are giving, please list the names. Names and things, not only names, things, whatever we are getting, how we are contributing. Just I gave here is the example only how we need to be, but you write in your own with your own views. Take a time and write in your own views. So many things and so many things. So once we sit and observe all those things, wow, these many things am I getting without any efforts from my side. With a small efforts, I'm getting the big things. See how we are getting, what kind of things we are getting from the nature and society and family. Just sit and write. Yeah. So please write, and if you want to express anything else in the chat box, you can express. Okay. So I want one or two participants to unmute and tell what is your insight, what your insight or something else after writing all those things. How many people, how many things from the society side, nature side, family side helpful me, I taken from them, then how I am contributing towards that thing. Contribution no need to consider in terms of the material. In terms of the right understanding, right feeling is also one kind of the contribution. That is the main important than anything else. If you know that suppose you are getting something else from the nature, something else, if I don't know how to use it, that is called some kind of evaluation, violating the things. If I use in a right manner, whatever the things I'm getting from nature, that is one kind of contribution to the nature. Right utilization. That is one kind of the contribution to the nature, something else. Like that. Yeah. If anyone completes the things, they can unmute and tell. I needed two participants to express it, at least one or two participants to express this thing. What are the feeling you have inside? Then later I move further.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Yeah, good morning, Indy.
తెలుగులో చెప్తానండి.
Telugu okay, but many people may not understand. They are
Okay,
out
sir.
of our states, na?
ఓకే సార్.
Try to tell if possible. Giri sir, it is okay. I think it is not okay.
Yeah,
Hindi or
better.
English is okay.
Yeah.
Hindi or English is okay. Telugu I don't know.
ఓకే. I will try that.
Yeah.
I'm in teaching field, sir. I'm working as a primary school teacher.
Yeah.
I'm feeling that if we inculcate these gratitude feelings in our children towards nature and society, etc., this is I think that this is the what I am giving to the nature, sir. This is I'm trying in that way, sir. అంటే నేను నా పిల్లల్లో ఇవి ఇన్కల్కేట్ చేయడం ద్వారా అది నేచర్ కి నేను ఇచ్చేటటువంటి గిఫ్ట్ అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి నేను ఇలా ట్రై చేయడానికి చూస్తానండి. ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని వాళ్ళలో తెలియజేసి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డెవలప్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ మై సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ ఐ ట్రై టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ దిస్ ఇన్ మై చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, madam, thank you. So what she was saying that if I inculcate all these values and something else, that is the greatest contribution to the nature and society, she was telling. Okay. Anyone? Please, I need one more participant.
Good morning, Andy. This is Praveen here.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah, out of this exercise, what I get is there is a lot. If I start writing about what I have been taking, nature, if it is a nature or society or family, whatever, then the pages are very lesser, to be precise, because at every part of moment, I am something or the other I'm taking. Let it be from any part of the group. Every moment, not like I can say that since childhood till now I have taken and from now I am not taking. Even now at this moment I am taking air, that means I am taking from nature. So it is a constant process. So I cannot write on a piece of paper how much I am taking, because even I forgot. I don't remember how much I have taken. However, if I see the other part of the paper, it is exactly opposite. That is empty. Only if I say in clear-cut words, the last part of the family. See, we are if we see as a part of a group of family, we are 9 of them. Yeah. We are 4, and I have 2 kids, wife, 2 kids, and my brother, sister-in-law, his daughter, and my parents. There are nine of them. But in this 9 of them also, my contribution was related to only my four of them. Beyond that, my contribution was, I don't even say it is minimum. So, so there is if you asked about a gap, I should not say it is a gap. It is totally missing beyond the family of 4.
Okay.
So other side sheet is totally filled up, and this side sheet is totally empty.
Very nice, Andy. Very nice. Very nice sharing.
So this is what. Yeah. So this is what I was able to say. Okay, I might have contributed to some people's lives, but I don't even remember. Okay. So I should say that it is empty.
Nice, nice. Sir. I will elaborate on this one later. After taking the one more participant sharing. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable sharing. Next, any one of you? One participant, last participant.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, Andy.
Good morning, sir. I am Pulla Reddy from Hyderabad.
Nice, sir.
Sir, contribution to nature and family, it is easy. Of course, all will be contributing to their family, and some people will be contributing to nature. But contribution to the society is a very toughest task. Even if we want to contribute, there will be a lot of hurdles. So very determined and great people only can contribute to the society. Of course, all should try, but there will be a lot of obstacles, lot of opposition from the members, from the society itself.
Yeah.
So, of course, contribution to the society, if I want to do it, but I don't know how to proceed. Whatever I take up, I'll get some hurdles and I'll leave it.
Nice, sir. Nice sharing. Thank you, sir. Nice sharing of you. So very nice. So this is a feeling we have inside. That means we got many things. We are getting many things from all of them, like nature, society, and family. As a return, how we are contributing. So that is the biggest question about. We no need to bother about that. In terms of the material, we no need to bother about that. I mentioned what I follow is whatever the things available with you, whatever the things you get from outside. So make them as the right utilization. That is also one kind of greatest contribution to the nature. Suppose if you have the cloth at your home, yes, you have the multiple cloths. You can check your bureau and see so many cloths would be there. How we are utilizing them and making the utilization of the right way or any other way. After having the many cloths, still you want to feel purchase. This is I'm taking as an example. That's all. How many cloths you need, that has to be decided by yourself. But whatever the class, whatever the things, whatever the thing they available to, how you are utilizing them. Without utilizing them in a right way, still you are looking for the some other equipment, some other clause, something else. That itself is showing that exploiting the nature. Yes, if I use them in a right way, whatever the things are available at home, yes, that is the greatest contribution to the nature. If you take the people, if some of the people are telling that I'm not doing great to the society, and saying, okay, you are not doing something else right now. You prepare your child such a way that whatever the place you are, as a mother, as a teacher, something else, forget about the existing system. Whatever system we have prevailing right now, be it as it is. Yes, whatever the child you are inculcating, whatever the students you are taking, wherever you are working, you inculcate all these values, all the things in the form of the family, in the form of education system. If I give that child to the society, the filled person to the society, then that is the greatest contribution to the society. Your child, your son, your daughter will become the example for the society, not the warning for the society. That is the one kind of the contribution to society. We may feel that it is
Yes.
in terms of the physical things, no only. If it is possible, give the physical things. First, try to understand the reality. By trying to make the utilization of the things in the right way. First, we do it. Then later we can work on that one. Immediate thing, what is there in my hand? Immediately, what is there in my hand? Use right utilization to inculcate the values in my child, develop values in myself, such that I can create the environment. That is the greatest contribution to the nature and society, even at the level of the family also. Already I mentioned that father, mother, take the father, mother, they have done more and more. That means just already mentioned that they gave the birth, just they accepted me unconditionally 5 years. That is enough to have the feeling of the gratitude. For them, what you are doing? Are you listening them? Or we are just listening them, whatever what they are saying, accepting them, just whatever they are offering, certain things. Are you giving them? At least we are able to express that, whether we have this one or that one, how we are communicating with them. Simply, and the material will come later, and the material, you don't consider that you have to do that one. No. Initially, we can start many things. Then we can feel the gratitude. Yes. So this, right now we may feeling that I'm getting the more from the all these, but I'm doing nothing only. No, you don't feel like that. It is not necessary. You are doing already many things. Just we have to introspect yourself. You're also doing many things. You may consider as the material things. No, already you're doing many things. Just recognize that, just appreciate yourself, then feel it. Then whenever you have such a kind of feeling inside, Andy, the gratitude feeling, then there is a humbleness around you. Naturally, very naturally, humbleness comes, heartlessness. Yes, you feel very comfortable with others even. Yes, sometimes you may not express it, but we have to develop the skill to express the gratitude. Yes, that is a very, very important, Andy. So this is one of the important feeling of the gratitude, important values. Yes, so this is about gratitude. I hope you are feeling it. Yes, so already you have done many things, Andy. It is already I mentioned that it is not a just kind of balance sheet. It is not. No, it may not be balanced, but at feeling level, it can be balanced once we understand the things. Yes, suppose something happening at outside. Suppose some terrorism is there. So many people were killed. We may not do immediately anything else. But if I understand what is the reason for that, for terrorism, something else, yes, we can work on that in future that will not be prevailed. For that, I'm working on the system. For that, I'm taking the child. For that, I'm taking my family member. For that, I'm taking the education institutions. There I'm working. There I'm working. By working them, this situation cannot be prevailed in the society in future. That is the one kind of the contribution. Yes, in this way, thinking the direction, wherever we live, family, in society, and nature, then definitely we can work a lot. So no need to bother about that one. That is the feeling of, just for that I need to have the feeling of the gratitude. For example, normal example, my friends and my gurus take the example is, suppose if you take the petrol from the nature, Petrol is example. We are taking the petrol from the nature. That is a free of cost. We are not, that is available at free. For extraction, something as the transportation, the manufacturing, something else, we are spending some amount. Yes, some skills and some technology. For that, we are costing it. Actually, that is the cost of zero. Petrol, something, anything, not only petrol and everything which is coming from the nature is zero cost. But for the extraction, to make a process, everything, there is a cost for that. After taking the petrol, as a return, what you are giving? You may tell that suddenly we have to stop the bikes. No. Suddenly we have to stop the driving of the vehicles. No, only. As and when, what is available with you, make it is a right utilization. As and when required, you promise yourself that I will use. If it is there in your hand right now, just if I go by walk, something else, then you can go. That is the contribution to the nature. Directly we can see it. Anything like this, we can see the many things in our life. So as and when recognize it, yes, where we can make the gratitude, definitely we can feel it. Yes, no need to bother about this one. Just work on this one. Definitely we feel the gratitude. When gratitude comes, then we feel the happy and that humbleness will come. This is the concept of the gratitude. For this, so I'm moving to the another one. Yeah, sir, are you seeing the PPT, sir? Yeah, last
Yes, yes,
exercise. Just last exercise is a simple one. Just feel it and see it yourself. Think someone who was really influential in your life. So many people might be there who influence a lot in your life. So many people. If you recollect them, so many people are influenced in your life. So write the person's name. Why that person is important in your life? Just take something else, paper and something. Just you write yourself. So many people made some influence in your life. So write the importance of the person. Yes, if you start writing in them, then you feel inside. Really, that greatness feeling come. So I must be grateful to the person because they made a lot of efforts for you to make influence your life. Yes. So whenever you feel it, Andy, whenever that kind of gratitude feeling is there. So what I'm from starting onwards, I'm telling that they helped you to reach certain position. Right now, they are behaving other than that. Doesn't matter to me. If I have the feeling of gratitude inside toward that person, toward that one, anything else, I feel happy, Andy. Definitely, I feel happy. If I have the feeling of ingratitude inside, they did small thing, why should I be grateful to them all the time? Immediately, see, there is an uncomfortable within you. Definitely, Andy. You can check yourself. You can verify yourself. No need to tell anyone, just you can verify. Whenever you have the gratitude feeling, how you are feeling inside. Whenever you have the ingratitude, yes, then how you are feeling. Whenever feeling, I am the great, I am thing, the feeling such kind of thing, how you are feeling. Yes, whenever you feel the gratitude, we feel happy. As and when required, if it is express that feeling to the others in form of anything else, if I express it, the other person is also feel happy. By that, your happiness would be increased. You're feeling happy already because of having the feeling inside. Then whenever you express it, your happiness will be enhanced. That is the importance of the feeling of the, not only this feeling, and any feeling, whenever you have the inside, you feel happy. Whenever you express it, that feeling would be enhanced. Any feeling, it can be trust, respect, yes, affection, care, guidance, any feeling. If you express it, your happiness will be enhanced. Yes, so this is one of the important feeling. So you can verify this. How many people help? What is the feeling towards them? Yes, for most people, expressing gratitude can be very uncomfortable. This is a very, very important ending. So we have to express it actually. So we are not feeling comfortable to express it. How many times I need to express it? Such a kind of feeling might be there inside of us. They did small thing. Why should I give the appreciation all the time? As and when required, please give the appreciation at outside with respect to some material, anything else, flower, anything else. But even if you're not able to give that expression at outside, what is the feeling inside? That is very, very important. So once we have the feeling inside, Andy, this expression is come very naturally. Whenever there is a complexity, whenever there is a disturbance in the feeling level, we feel very uncomfortable to express. We may feel that I am the great person, such kind of things would be there actually. That is the reason we are not feeling to express it gratitude. If I have the clarity about the gratitude, if you really feel it, they helped me, yes, then we express this gratitude feeling very naturally. Yes, for that you push yourself wherever you are, at the level of the society, at the level of the nature, at the level of the family, wherever you live, if you're living, you're working in the organization, so many people and we are not even recollecting them. Suppose you are working in the organization, yes, how we are interacting the people. Suppose your maid is there, attender is there. We are interacting with people as in we require help from them. Suppose getting the paper, getting the toilet cleaning, but we are not even calling the person with the name. So suppose say if students at the college levels, we are not inculcating this kind of feeling inside them. They don't even know who are cleaning their rooms, who are cleaning their toilets, who are arranging all those things, water and so on. So they don't even know that. Forget about others. Even at the level of office boy, office and higher positions, how we are interacting with the people. Suppose attender is there. Are we making it a normal conversation? Doesn't mean that we are keeping our hand on their shoulders. No. What kind of interaction is there with them? How we are interacting? How we are wishing with them? We are wishing them based on their position. We are wishing them based on the just gender. We are wishing them irrespective of all these things. Actually, just are we making any conversation with them other than the work? So we are missing that kind element wherever you are working. So I am also trying to practice it wherever I am working. So in front of me, HOD, in front of me, principal, in front of me, attender, in front of the sweeper, whoever available in front of me, as and when see them, I wish all of them. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Irrespective of the position, I'm practicing it. So whenever we do this one, definitely, Andy, we can also feel that gratitude from the outside. Definitely we can see it. So how many people are making gratitude towards your side? How many people are expressing gratitude towards your side? That is the measurement of your excellence. Yes, we have to see it also. What is my excellence to see? How many people are gratitude towards you? That itself showing that you are excellent, the measure of your excellence. So in my workplace, I'm seeing, I'm practicing after understanding this content. In my workplace, I'm practicing it. Really, I'm practicing some kind. Really, I'm enjoying from my subordinators, attenders, ayas, and washroom cleaners, everything. I used to talk very normally. Just I wish them, just ask them about the kids and something else. Really, I'm enjoying it. Really, I'm enjoying about that one. So that is one of the feeling I have with respect to them. So they used to call me, wherever they find me, they used to call me. So really, I'm enjoying. This is not time to give all the examples with respect to that one. Just we can also feel it. Just you share, you're telling the certain things to them. Definitely, we can feel. Yes, this is the concept of the gratitude. So these are the values. Whatever the values I express, the reverence and glory and gratitude. So we have all the values like trust, respect, and all these values you have now. So especially these values, reverence and glory and gratitude, these are the values to very, very important whenever we are interacting with the people, elderly people, and who are supporting us for our excellence, something else towards them. Whatever the feelings I have, these are the very, very important values whenever interacting with the elderly people or supporting people. So reverence and glory and gratitude. Yes, these are the feelings. See, that is the things I mentioned here. The values important in the relationship. Whenever we're interacting with the equals, like our colleagues, wife, or certain things, our nations. So whenever you're interacting with the equals, then these are the values are very, very important. All the values must be there. Among all the values, the trust and respect and affection is very, very important. Whenever interacting with the equals, whenever we interact with the youngers, like our kids or students, something else, these kinds of values are important, like care and guidance are important. Whenever we interact with the elderly people, like mother, father, teacher, anyone, those who are supporting for me, Yes, those who are giving the suggestion, those who are helping my excellence. Yes, those already made for the excellence somewhere else. For them, so these are the values are important. Other values would be there. These are the values important like this: reverence, glory, and gratitude. Yes, after this one, after having, there are some wrong conclusions in our system because of the lack of education. So because of this lack of education systems, certain things, so we have wrong conclusions. Those are prevailing in the people, in the students, in the society. The first conclusion is that, yes, as and when child, yes, completes the 4-5 years, he goes to the schools. Yes, whenever he joins the schools, he may be feeling that. He is feeling that parents don't know anything. My teacher know everything. Parents don't know everything. We have to verify this. We are not telling that you should not listen the teachers. We should listen the teacher. Then as a parent, whenever they are telling like that, just we have to verify that. What is the reality? Then we need to explain that. They are telling also right. I'm also telling guys, this is the way. We need to verify, we need to inquire the things. But students are feeling that parents don't know anything. Just once the students entering into the college level, then they are feeling that teachers don't know anything. Yes, teachers don't know anything. My faculty, like assistant professor, those people know everything. Then later, once completion of the education, when they are coming to the society, then they are feeling that I know everything. I know everything. I don't depend on anything. I know everything. The person who is telling that I know everything, he has to be excellent person. He has to work in the direction of the excellence. Then how the child, after completion of the education, something else, once he's coming to the society, how he is feeling? Yes, he has the work towards excellence, then he has the confusion in your life. The person is feeling that knowing everything, then he has to work for the excellence, but he's not working for the excellence. Yes, he has a lot of confusion. That is the reason, because of having such kind of things in our mindset, we are unable to keep the guidance, and the guidance is missing in our life. We are not keeping any person as a guide in our life. Even child also. We are not getting anything else. Suppose I am in the good at, suppose I do the paintings. Yes, some people are there for me to guide. I'm listening them. I listen them. So these are the strokes I made. So can I do better than that? What are the measures I need to take? Suppose I'm working in other field. I'm doing the research. Some people already made some research in the same area. Then how am I taking him? What are the inputs I'm taking? But we are not taking the inputs who are giving real suggestion for us. Some misunderstanding. We are taking the suggestions, everything, what we like most, which is comfortable to us. We are liking the people same way. So that is the wrong conception we have because of our education system. Yes, we are encouraging the people only for the career, not for the life. Yes, that is the reason these are the wrong conclusions. So next, then we have the time of the 10 minutes. This is about the gratitude and glory and reverence. So among all these values, another important value I'm going to discuss. That value is nothing but the love. Yeah, before going to give us some brief about the love. Yes, so we have the spectrum of the relationships. Whatever the relationship, human relationships are there, those relationships are categorized into the 7 ways. Yes, that is the parent-child relationship. That is the one of the relationships. That means parent, son or daughter. Then another relationship, siblings, like me, my brother, me, my big sister, like this. We have the one more relationship, like me and teacher. That means teacher-student relationship, student-teacher relationship. We have the another relationship. Next, friend-friend relationship. That means me, my friend. Yes. Next, we have the me and spouse, means wife and husband relationship. Then another relationship is the boss and colleague. Yes, boss and colleague relationship. If I am the boss, if a colleague is there, what is the relation? That is one kind of relationship. Then me and society. So all the relationship, whatever the relationship you can recognize, whatever the relationship you find, that relationship may come under any one of these 7 relationships. Yes, all the relationships are categorized into these 7 relationships. Yes, every relationship, there is a utility for every relationship. For every relationship, there is a utility for that. That utility we need to understand. Suppose if you take the parent-child relationship. Yes, in parent-child relationship, what is the utility? The utility of that, suppose take the child is there. Child, a body has to be nurtured. Child self has to be developed. That utility I need to understand. Whenever we have the mother and child relationship, yes, what is the utility of that relationship? That body has to be nurtured, that self has to be enhanced. I understand that utility. Then that whatever the feelings are there, that feelings will naturally come out. Yes, before making the feelings at outside, this is the utility we need to recognize. We may not have the feeling, develop the feeling may not be there. We can efforts to develop that feeling. Before that, I need to understand the utility of the relationship. In any relationship, like take the wife and husband relationship. What is the wife and husband relationship? Commitment. We have to accept the person as it is. I have to help the person to reach understanding level. I have to accept their background, their shortcomings. Yes, for that I need to have the affection is the feeling. I have to understand the utility of that. Then that affection, that feeling naturally flow. For that, like that, all the relationship, there is a utility, there is important. That important we need to understand. Then if I understand that, whatever the feelings are there, that feelings will naturally come out. Even if you don't have developed feelings, then we can develop them. Yes, now I'm discussing the feeling of the love here. What is the feeling of love? We have such kind of values. What is the feeling of love here? So there is a meaning for this. Is a complete value only. This is first we discuss the trust. The trust is the foundation value. Adhar Mulyam. Yes, that is the foundation for all the values. Here is this love is the complete value. Whatever the values you studied, we understood till now. Yes, all the values are packed in this one only, love. That is nothing but the love. That means the feeling being related to the all. We cannot confine with the certain people, certain things. We feel that we related to the all. Yes, that means the love, exactly meaning is love means the expansion of the affection indeed. What is the meaning of affection? The affection meaning is feeling being related to the other person. That is the meaning of the love, affection, sneham. Yes, the expansion of that one only. That means I'm feeling being related to the all. Suppose if I take your child, yes, your child is there. Yes, what kind of feeling is there towards your child? Yes, if I take the other people, for them also you have the same feeling. Yes, for them also you have the same feeling. Other children also, for them also you have the same feeling. So the affection is a circle of the influence. Suppose there is a food is available. Yes, there is a food is available. That food, the class can be immediately provided with the people who are interacting within a day-to-day life. That is called influence zone. That is circle of influence. So I can extend that one only. Yes, there is a concern. The circle of concern would be there. Suppose so many people are laying down it outside. They don't even have the clothes. They don't even have the shelter. They don't even have the food at outside. Right now, I cannot provide the food, shelter for them, but I have the concern about that one. Suppose at a family level, my son don't have the food and shelter, something else, immediately I can provide for them. That is a circle of influence. But circle of concern, that means so many people don't have certain all of things. For them, I have the feeling of the concern. Whenever we have the feeling of the concern, then we will work for that. That means, so indirectly we can help. So many people may be helping to the people at the border, at something else. There are NGOs, so many people are helping nowadays now. So by having the concern, I no need to work and directly go and work for them. I can create the people who are working for them. That is the circle of the concern. For that, we can take the step forward. Yes, that is nothing but the love. Yes, love is the expansion form of the affection. Affection means being related to the one or many. Then, but love is feeling being related to the all. Yes, what is exactly meaning of the love? Exactly meaning. You might have heard about the meaning of love at nowadays society and system in the movies and something else. The word may be same, the spelling may be same. That meaning is different here. Yes, what are the meaning you associated with by seeing all those things? Here meaning is different. It is a combined form of the feeling. Yes, love is combined form of feeling is that kindness, benevolence, and compassion. It is a combination of all these feelings is nothing but the love. What is the kindness? The kindness means the providing the physical thing. The people are at outside, they don't have the things. That means physical things, material things like food, shelter, something else. For them, I have the feeling to provide those things. Yes, that is called kindness. In Telugu, that is called daya. Yes, next benevolence. They have the things, physical things, everything is there. They don't know the knowledge, how to use them, how to utilize them. For them, I'm providing the understanding. That is nothing but the benevolence. That is called krupa. Daya, krupa. So the people at outside, they don't have these two. So I have the feeling to provide these two: knowledge, understanding, as well as the physical requirement of physical things. The providing all these, that is nothing but the compassion. Yes, kindness and benevolence and compassion. The combination of all these, yes, nothing but love. Yes, so if we express this one, whenever this feeling, whatever the love feeling inside is there, yes, whenever we have this a love kind of feeling inside, concern about the entire circle, then I feel that indifferentiation. That is nothing but the ananyata. There is no difference between the you and my son. There is no you and my brother. Immediately, I cannot provide the influence on you, but I have the concern about you. That is indifferentiation. Whatever the needs of me, whatever the needs of my child, whatever the needs of my brother, whatever the needs of my mother. So other people needs are also same. I also feel same way. That kind of feeling we need to develop. Right now, we may not have, but it can be inculcated. That is there inside us. Already we have been telling that all the feelings are there inside of us. We need to go and create all these feelings. Already is there, just we need to inculcate them. We need to develop those feelings, all the feelings. So for them, we need to have, we don't require anyone, just we need to understand the things. It is the expressing the feeling of indifferentiation. This is nothing but the love. Love is the expansion for all the people. So if you're not feeling to the none, that is nothing but an opposition to all. If you're feeling the related to the one, affection. If you're feeling the related to the many, that is also affection. If you're feeling related to all the people across the nature, that is nothing but the love. Love is a combination of the all those things. So whatever I summarize the things, whatever the values we discussed so far, the trust and respect and affection, yes, care, guidance and reverence, glory and gratitude. Yes, so whenever we miss the value of the trust and trust feeling is not there inside of me, there is a fear inside of us. The main cause for the fear is the trust, lack of trust. Whenever we don't have the trust on the people, we have the fear. So that fear we are seeing in the society. Why you are feeling the fear in the society? Because we don't have the trust on the people. Yes, that is the fearful society nowadays we are seeing. Whenever we miss the respect, then we feel ego and depression. Yes, whenever options of the respect, we feel ego and depression. Yes, a right evaluation we must have. Whenever we making the disrespect on the others and ourselves, we feel ego and that is ego and depression. Then whenever options of the affection, sneham, then we feel jealous about the people. Yes, opposition about the people. Whenever we miss the care feeling inside, we exploit the things. We don't know how much keep. We don't know how much acquire. Yes, we exploit the nature. Then we never options of the guidance. Then we misguide the people. If we not understand the guidance, then misguide the people. then the reverence, glory, and gratitude, all are very close to similar. Whenever we have this kind, whenever absence of all this, then we feel it as a to be special, I am the great, such kind of feelings come inside. Yes, this is the combination of all these. The combination of all these feelings is nothing but the love. Yes, that is nothing but the love. Actually, all these feelings are liberate from the feeling of love. Yes, love is the complete value. Whenever we feel it, then we can enjoy that completeness inside. Yes, we enjoy that completeness inside. These are the very, all these values. So these values we need to understand. Yes, after understanding, we can fulfill all these needs. For every relationship, there is a utility. We need to understand that utility. Then these values will flow very naturally. If you don't even recognize those values, we can develop to recognize that, then express. Whenever recognize, we feel happy, express, our happiness would be enhanced. Yes, so now I am closing here. This is my happiest moment to share all this. So thank you all giving opportunity to have interaction with you people. So thank you from all my team members who provide the opportunity to interact with these people. So already it is 8 o'clock. If you have, Sir Giri sir.
Yeah, we can take 1 or 2 questions as well.
Yeah, okay, sir. If it's time permits, I take the 1 or 2 questions. So in the evening, you can have the more interaction session in the question and answer session. Okay. Yes, if you have any queries, one and not two, then I will try to answer it. If you have any queries related to the concepts.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you were saying that no trust, it's the situation of fear. We'll be having fear. Then all those things I was writing very first. No reverence, no glory, no gratitude combined together. I didn't hear that.
Pardon me, madam.
Yeah, sir, you were expressing, you were right, when you were discussing the last slide, you were saying that when there is no trust, we will be having a feeling of fear.
Yeah, yeah.
When there is no respect, it is ego or depression. When it is no affection, it is jealous.
Yeah.
No care, we used to exploit the nature and others. No guidance, it is
misguide the people.
Misguide the people. Okay,
Yeah,
then no reverence. Then combining the other three, you said something. I didn't.
Yeah, combining that this one, we feel that suppose these are the feelings to be expressed with respect to our elderly people. Yes, elderly people, those who are supporting for my excellence, something else. For them, I need to accept whatever the suggestions they are giving to us. Okay, so there should not be any opposition with respect to them.
Okay.
Yes, such kind of feeling should be there. When our options of this one, we feel always special. I am the great person. Why should I listen to them? I know everything now.
Okay.
So I am working in a certain field, in a music field. If somebody already made some benchmark, if they tell I have to listen, but we are not following them. That is why we are missing the guidelines in our life because we are not following them. So whenever it is whenever it miss in our life, then that comes to be special kind of thing come. I am the great, I am the special. Such a kind of feelings will come inside. Arrogance.
Arrogance, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So if there are no questions, then I think we can close. Yeah. So if I'm sure there will be more questions. After some reflective assignments that I'm going to pass today in the WhatsApp group. So please go through that videos and some kind of assignments, similar assignments to what was given today. So please reflect on and come back with more questions today evening, 7 p.m. Thank you. We'll see you all in the evening.
Yeah. Thank you, Andy. Thank you all. I'm closing here.